Hey everybody, it's Johnny from Acorn Wealth Corp here. All right, so we've got another turbulent day in the market, a bit of eyebrows raised today as we head into this ceiling on the S&P 500 around that 18, what was he at 1850 area. So some may confuse this area with just a straight horizontal resistance, but you've also got this kind of marginal trend line resistance if you look at some of these peaks over here on the right side of this double top. So that brought us up to the resistance yesterday, and we attempted to crack through today, but towards the end of the market, we definitely sold off strongly, pushing down back into the 1830 territory. Now, this week is a very important week because we have rallied right off the open range of the month in this 1790 zone and set a positive tone for most of February. But another important day that really sets a key turning point potentially is Friday, and Friday, especially options expiration Friday. This is also generally a turning point that sets the tone for the rest of the month as to whether we're going to be going positive or negative, depending on which way it breaks out of Friday's range. So today, on this bounce down, we want to be quite cautious because some of the things that are happening right now are interesting to say the least. We have this downtrend line on the S&P, which we've rejected down off of. We've got the Russell 2000, where we actually have already broken down previously from a rising wedge formation and have tested from beneath. Also a sharp breakdown from that resistance today. And if you go across and have a look at some of the sectors, things like the consumer discretionaries, it's in a sharp downturn. Staples also under resistance. So this is a real pivotal point for the market, and the bullish signs we've seen on the S&P aren't necessarily reflected across all of the sectors and alternate indexes. So keep your heads up and look for these key levels to be broken or at least consolidation to happen before we start to get too bullish ahead of Friday. That's the review for tonight. Hope it helps. We'll see you all later in the week. Happy trading.